have to respect. And the law says the foundation is funded only through the donations, no commercial activities. So that I cannot sell the books through foundations, I cannot sell the tickets, I cannot charge anything. Only if regional government or if some business gives us the money. That's the first question. The second question, how is it going to affect political reality, but reality in Bosnia at all? What we have in this little tiny country, which only knew for the bad news, we got probably the greatest discovery, if not of millennium, then of the century. Now, imagine the impact. Everything is the biggest, the oldest, So, with the flow of tourists that I expect in the next 5, 10, 20 years, the millions of people will be coming. In Egypt, every year, 8.5 million people leave $15 billion in domestic economy. So only one site in Mexico, Teotihuacan, 4 million people, $5 billion. Mexico is, 120 million people. Egypt, 80 million people. And they live from those industries. Bosnia, 3.5. Just with the 1 million people and a couple of $1 billion, it will be a different country. 30 industries will come with this. Besides tourism, the transportation, the trade, infrastructures, food production, water production, furniture production, hotels, the country would be changed completely. So there would be no place for the politicians